Deal. Vamp, that's all.
Alright, come on.
Okay.
You better stay by the sink.
Why?
Because you're going to throw up.
I'm going to go out there.
No, you better move that stuff out from the sink.
I'm not.
I'm going to die.
I'm not. I'm not doing anything different. I really don't know why you think this is even hard.
Oh my god.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's
Sure?
good. Yeah,
Now what do I gotta do?
that's good.
What do I gotta do?
You have to put it in your mouth and try to swallow it.
That's it?
Yeah. I told you.
Oh.
I told you. Are you done trash talking?
Give me a pop out. I'm gonna choke.
You should probably drink water, not pop. I told you to move the stuff from the sink.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna vomit. Stop. That's disgusting.
Oh gosh. I had a hair in my mouth.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that really sucked. That's how you do it.
Why, you sucked at it.
Oh my god. I'll never do that again.
You kept talking trash. Saying you'd do it like it's no big deal, so.
Oh man, now my sink's all jacked up.
I told you to move the stuff and you didn't listen.